Hey guys, so as you can see, it is dark outside. Hopefully, it's gonna start getting lighter. It is about 5:20 in the morning, and it's cold. It's 40 degrees here in Michigan today. Um, so I'm actually heading out of town for 2 days, not far, but like to a different town for these next 2 days. So I'm gonna have a really super busy weekend. I have stuff in the back of my car right now, actually, to film for you. Can you see that? No, but I have 2 giant bags, and you can't see that at all. And oh, there we go, a nice fun box right here, and then 2 giant bags to film for you, but I won't be able to do that until Monday. So I figured on my way out of town this morning I would do some dumpster diving. So let's see if we can find anything. Alright, I was actually here yesterday, and this trash can was here then. Somebody has obviously moved it. Yeah, I'm not gonna dig too much in here because I know there's the parking lot dirt and stuff. Next stop, this is where I found all... Why is it so dark right there? Okay, there we go. This is where I found all of the baby clothes last week on this day. So maybe something else today? Let's check. Okay. Do you see that? All those shoes. I don't know if they have matches. But I am going to check. That is a lot of shoes. Alright, I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so unfortunately, I was not able to find like any pairs. There were pairs that had like different sizes on each foot, and then I'm really sad about these because these are some nice Nikes, but they're both the right foot. I wish they weren't, but they are. There were so many nice brands, tons of Nikes, Adidas, just nice shoes, but unfortunately no matching pairs. I wish these did. And then I found this as well, but they tore it up, so they must have been upset after I found all that stuff last week. So we'll keep checking. They do this occasionally, so no big deal. Next stop is a pharmacy. Yeah, this looks like it did when I checked it yesterday. Nothing going on in here today. Okay, we are at the next pharmacy location. Oh. Alright, some candy. I don't know. Yeah, I'll grab a few of these. And these tubs are nice as well. So I think I'll grab a little bit of this. Pulling up to another pharmacy here. I usually don't like going dumpster diving early in the morning because I feel like I'm missing out. Sometimes I do find some really good stuff, but I feel like, you know, people have been here already since last night and they got the goods. But I'm out this morning, so we'll check, and I definitely do find stuff at this time, but just how I feel. Alright, the sun is starting to come up. That's good. I see some coconut corn puffs. Oh, there's a few things down there. Maybe some in this box. They typically put them in boxes. Alright, I'll dig around a little bit. I haven't found anything here in a long, long time. Let's check this dumpster. Usually the gates are closed, so... Oh, I was gonna say it might be empty, but it's not. Looks like a Papasan chair. Yeah, I'm not gonna take that. I think that's all I'm seeing in here, though. This is the $5 store. Okay, so obviously like a dumpster diver threw that in here. Yeah. Otherwise, nothing. Okay, I think these coffee pods are probably in here. I can smell a coffee, actually. I'm gonna assume the rest of it is destroyed, but I'm definitely going to dig around just a little bit. I have only ever been to this dumpster one time before, so let's see. Well, unfortunately nothing today. Alright guys, it is now about 6:30 in the morning, and I have pretty much reached where I am headed. So we're going to make a stop at one more pharmacy dumpster here. Thank you guys for joining me this morning. It was actually a pretty successful dive, especially for it being the morning. Usually, like I said, I get nervous that people are going to come out at night and take all the good stuff, but I've kind of stopped going at night, so maybe other people have as well. Who knows? But as always, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I will be doing, just a reminder, another giveaway when I hit 10,000 subscribers. I still need about 1,600 subscribers to get there, but it's gonna be a good giveaway. I'm already starting to brainstorm what I want to put in it. I'm not gonna worry about like making it fit in one of those flat rate boxes. It's gonna be some nice stuff. So definitely tell everybody to subscribe to my channel so we can get there and we can do this giveaway. But once again, thank you, and let's check this last dumpster. Oh, also, this haul will probably be out Monday morning with everything that I have found, as well as the things that I found beforehand that I showed you were in the bags in my car. So let's check. Oh man. Alright, so there's actually kind of a lot of stuff in here. It's way at the bottom though. I think I will take that Gatorade and we'll see anything else if I can reach it.